Welcome to Crystalline Magic Self-Empowerment Series of guided meditations and visualizations. This is a morning meditation for gratitude. It's good to start our day with gratitude and appreciation. This opens our receiving of health, wealth, money, love, happiness, appreciation, compliments, praise, lots of good opportunities. Gratitude is that secret magical ingredient which, when added to our life, then it opens all our receivings magically. Hello soul friends, my name is Runu and I invite you to realize and use the power of gratitude and appreciation to make your life happier and open your receiving. When we start our day counting our blessings and expressing gratitude for them, then two wonderful things happen. Firstly, our mind realizes that even though at times there are some issues in life, but still there are many things to be thankful for. This realization creates a positive, happy energy inside us. And positive energy is what we need for manifestation. Secondly, when we are thankful and happy for what we have, then the universe gives us even more things to be thankful and happy about. It's simply the law of attraction at work. What we give out to the universe is what comes back to us manyfolds. Gratitude is that secret magical ingredient which, when added to our life, then it opens all our receivings magically. So, to begin with, for your morning gratitude intentions and visualization, when you wake up in the morning, stretch nicely and either stay in bed or you can go to the window or balcony and welcome the day with enthusiasm and a smile. Always remember how we start our day sets the mood and the rhythm of the day. So let's welcome the day. Hello sun, hello sky, hello plants, trees, hello birds. Thank you, Mother Nature, for all these and many other beautiful gifts. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I welcome all the healing energy of nature and the magical light of the source in my room. I welcome it in my home, in my body. I welcome it in my life. And I take a few deep breaths, feeling and visualizing that I am inhaling the healing energy of nature, of sun, of crystalline source light. And this light is spreading in my entire body, giving me a booster dose of high energy and vitality to keep me energetic throughout the day. Thank you, universe, for all this. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now, thank God and thank the universe for all the good things in your life. Even though you may have some issues at times in your life, or maybe you are going through something difficult right now, but still there are many good things in life to appreciate and be thankful for, like breathing. So thank you, God, for the breath in my body, the vital life force which is keeping me alive every moment. Thank you. Thank you. I am so grateful for it. Now, let's think about a few day-to-day things that at times get taken for granted, like the comfortable bed you sleep in, the roof on your head, the food on your table, the hot water in the tap, and many such things. Take a few moments to reflect and thank for all such daily blessings in your life. Now take a moment and think of all the people who are a happy, good support in your life. Maybe family, friends, colleagues, or some neighbor, or your daily helps. Visualize each one of them. See the source light coming to you from the universe and going to each one of them via you and filling their life. See them happy and doing well wherever they are, and thank them for being there for you. And lastly, thank the universe in advance for whatever you are going to do today, whatever are your goals for today, or whosoever you are going to meet today. Say, thank you, God, thank you, universe, in advance for making everything work out so wonderfully, effortlessly today. And thank you for it being a happy, joyous day. Gratitude in advance. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Feeling very, very happy, very positive, and full of vital energy, I start my day with enthusiasm and a smile.